What's up, YouTube? Happy Saturday, last car today, 2018 Kia Forte. I'm going to show you how to replace the pads and rotors on this today. It's grinding, as you can see. Already got the parts, and I'm ready to go home. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you can see my videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, first thing we're going to do is grab whatever 14 you have, wrench, socket, ratchet, whatever, electric, counterclockwise. Take your 14 out, swivel your caliper up. You don't have to take both bolts out. You just kind of set it out of your way there. So all the people that make comments on my channel about, oh, you let it hang by the brake hose, don't get hurt. Even though, you know, these brake hoses only have like thousands of pounds of PSI running through them. You know, they can handle that, but they can't handle a little weight on them. But yeah, to make a long story short, 25 years I've never damaged one. But we'll please everybody, so. They definitely got their life out of that. Grab a little flathead action here, get this other one out because it doesn't want to cooperate. Now let's go ahead and reset our piston. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Just grab your old brake pad. Whatever you have available. You can do this with channel locks too. Just put it on the back side of the caliper and squeeze like I'm doing. I've done videos on actually showing y'all how to do it. If you're watching my videos on my channel, which you should be if you're subscribed. For my fans, LOL, JK. Now let's take this caliper bracket out of our way. It's going to be a 17 millimeter. Of your choice. They're a little tight, so you might want a long ratchet or wrench to get a little more torque on it, a little less work on it. Go ahead and reverse that the other way. Now, we have to get this rotor off, and these rotors, normally you can use one of these. It's called an impact driver. You just stick it in there and you hammer it. But if you don't have one at home, just get you a number 3 Phillips bit. With a socket head on it, preferably, and insert counterclockwise without dropping them. Yeah, this has an insert because you can put all different bits in this insert. But you can buy these Phillips sockets that don't come out, probably from somewhere like Harbor Freight or somewhere like that. We'll probably have them too. I don't buy a lot of tools at Harbor Freight because I'm a professional mechanic and I do this every day. And some of their tools are a little cheap for the everyday use. The vigorous that I put them through. So, not knocking them. They're good for home stuff. If you're not going crazy like I do all day long. Now I've already cleaned this rotor off because they come with Cosmoline on them, which is the special oil they put on them when they're sitting on the shelf so they don't rust from moisture. Clean that off with a little bit of brake cleaner or some Dawn dish detergent or any dish detergent that's a degreaser. Some soap and hot water. Works just fine. Go put our set screws back in. Now, I don't urge you to do what I just did without starting them, but I've been doing this for so long, I know the angle. Just saying. I can do almost any bolt that way, y'all. I try not to do that on my channel, on my videos. I try to teach y'all the right way. Definitely going to start these by hand. Now I've already reversed my tools. Now, I trust my tool, but it's always good to check it. So I'm going to take a long ratchet. Just give it one little extra oomph, but there's no oomph left in it. Because those Milwaukee tools don't play. Take your outer pad. You're probably wondering, how do you know the outer pad? Oh, I hate this style. They got these stupid little... They get bent. Bend them back. Get in there. All right. Of course, the back one's got bent too. That one's not bent, just this one. Push it down. Hey, the warning indicator, your little squeaker, you put it on the back side if it has a squeaker on it. If it don't have a squeaker on it, normally it doesn't matter. The pads are shaped the same, and or if they don't have different little notches and nipples on them, always look at that too. Best bet is just to look at your old pads and see how they're set up. Notice this inner pad has the nipples on the outer. This one has them on the inner. So always best to just compare your new pads with the old pads, just to be sure. Let's go ahead and lock this bad boy down. I'm going to check the top one too. Let it loosen that one. Make sure your dust boot is seated over the slide pin, and it's not, so take it back off. Get on there. Most of the time it seats right back on when you push it on, but this one wants to bite me because I'm doing a video. I'm not going to check those because I know they're tight. Swinging your wheel back out, hanging your wheel, torque your wheel, whatever spec it is. I think this one's 80, 87, somewhere around there. That's on you. Anyways, pump your pedal up before you drive it. Make sure it's nice and hard before you pull it out, because you'll have a holy crap moment and you'll back in and hit something. So, oh, look at that. That's interesting. Coming in alignment and didn't tighten the tire rod nut. I'll have to bring that to their attention. Glad I caught that. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Check like,